Have you ever felt tired, even when you haven't done much? Sometimes it's not your mind. It's your kidneys quietly crying for help. They work day and night, cleaning your blood, keeping you alive. But we rarely stop to thank them. What if I told you that just one drink every morning could help your kidneys heal and feel brand new in just 7 days? Here's the story. A man once said, "I used to wake up every morning feeling heavy, my skin dull, my eyes dark and tired, until I tried this." He started with one fresh orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C, nature's own cleanser, washing away toxins and helping your kidneys breathe again. Then he added a few cloves of garlic. Strong, sharp, and healing, garlic carries allicin, a compound that fights inflammation and improves blood flow to the kidneys. Next came ginger, its warmth spread through the body, waking up every sleepy cell. Ginger boosts circulation, aids digestion, and helps the kidneys flush out what the body doesn't need. Finally, he added 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Sweet, soothing, and full of antioxidants, honey protects and nourishes the kidneys like a gentle shield. He mixed everything together, covered it with orange slices, and let it sit for 2 hours, letting the flavors and the healing blend together. After 2 hours, he squeezed out the juice. And every morning for 7 days straight, he drank 1 glass before breakfast. On the 7th day, he smiled and said, "It feels like my body just woke up again, from the inside out." Sometimes healing doesn't start in a hospital. It starts in your kitchen with a few simple gifts from nature. Try this for 7 mornings, not just for your kidneys, but for your soul. To remind yourself that your body still knows how to heal. You just have to listen.